Alright guys, here we go. There's no trades to report. I posted everything in the thread, and nobody went for it, but it's late. Nobody really around tonight. Here's the team winners: Dean, Carolina, Ron, Minnesota, Tex, Winnipeg. Let me just get it. You guys can read it yourself. I'll call it the hits anyway. As we go. And I got Chuck had 2 dart listings and Tex had 1. I'm going to do that right now, and then we're going to get it. Then I'm going to randomize that draft prospects, and then we're going to open up the rest. So Chuck, 6 darts. Chuck's building up his pile again. Chuck, 7. Yeah, I'm dropping frames again. 11. So I'm going to restart. Even though I'm going to stay alive right here, but I'm going to restart the Tex in case. 2. Yeah, I just restarted Boom Sauce A for Chuck. That don't count, you still get 3 more. I was dropping the frame, so I restarted the feed Tex while I was breaking darts here on camera. 20, 5, and jump to 14 seems better now. Oh, what? Did you get next one? Nope. 6 for Chuck and 3 for Tex. Oh, looks like it just froze again. God, the site's been stupid. Ridiculous. Oh, Boom Sauce U. Tex. Might be the one that you needed, actually. Oh, it looks like it's back yet. Hey, Boom Sauce M for Tex. Keeps dropping frames like that every couple seconds. I'm going to get really pissed off. And it keeps doing it, yeah. 12. And 643 bonus that you don't need. And the Boom Sauce S again. I think that's the one you needed. There you go, Tex. You got your Malkin you wanted. And a single bull. Look at that. That's one heck of a good draw. There you go, bud. I'm guessing you're taking that Malkin? Yeah. Malkin? Because I'll cash it out for you later, if that's what you want. Alright, so shenanigans are done. There's our teams. We've got this box of draft prospects. One that I scribbled on before we started. Spin the wheel. See who wins that. I kind of like this where one team gets a box because it's good value and kind of fun. So the winner of Draft Prospects box is going to be the Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers. Shane Dog. Shane ended up with Florida. Shane gets the box. Shane. Alright, so opening up this box for Shane. The new bit. Frames. It's really annoying. That's going to annoy me like crazy, man. Going on and off like that. Anyways. But at least the feed on the camera isn't going to back out like that. So. Okay, Malkin, book it is yours. Book it is yours, my friend. I'll even show it to you later if you ask me. Shane Dog. Jason Dickinson base, silver. Connor Rankin, the wrong Connor. No, it's dropping frames for me on my cast. I can see it. Tyler Benson, base silver. Eric Lindros. Olivier Borkstrand. Oh, gold or emerald. Roland McCowan, 50. Hey, look at that! It just dropped frames again. Yay! That's so annoying. Base silver, Frederick Gauthier, Leafs pick. Oh, that's pretty. 3-color. Die cuts. Oh, Alexander Barkov, gold, I believe. That's pretty cool. Yep, gold version, so that'll be out of 10. Nice 3-color patch. Well, not a patch. And it's a Finnish Tappara Tampere jersey. I think that's a Finnish Elite League. Let's go to Shane. And how about some McKinnon and Drouin teammates? That's cool. Autograph silver, Tristan Jarry. Autograph silver, Jeremy Gregory. And autograph silver, Eric Roy. Still pretty nice box for you, Shane. Congrats to you. Let's start ripping open this, starting with Series 1. Nice random team with Series 1. 370. We got Edmonton again, was it? War Machine got Edmonton. So War Machine has the big McDavid chance. If I can ever get this box open. So I thought this was pretty cool, random team. We're going to start doing a little more random team stuff now that Edmonton is crazy priced, and even mid-range hobby boxes, Edmonton's crazy. So that was a nice box. All right. Young Guns for St. Louis Blues, Joel Edmondson. St. Louis, I don't know. Jack at St. Louis. Base. Royal Blue, Henrik Zetterberg for Detroit. And I think that was Tex. There you go, Tex. Shining Stars, Royal Blue. Zetter. Ugh, drop the frames again. And now it's back. It just drops them for a few seconds. Portraits, Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. Rangers is Aaron. That's right, she got her New York teams. That's awesome. Young Guns, Keegan Lowe for the Canes. Carolina Hurricanes. Keegan Lowe. Hurricanes are Diener. Canvas, Brandon Dubinsky for the Jackets. And the Jackets are, I can see, I'm looking it up as I open the next pack. The Jackets are Patrick. The Nuge for War Machine. As I drop frames again, and then quickly come back. Breakers has been stupid connection for me lately. Horrible. Young Guns, Jordan Wheel for the Kings. The Kings is Jack. Jack 2 Young Guns, not too bad. Portraits, Corey Perry for the Ducks. Ducks is Linda. One of those Ultimate boxes are going to have something excellent. The 14-15 Ultimate is really expensive. Clark MacArthur Canvas for Ottawa. Ottawa's Jack. Jack has a bunch of teams in this. So thanks, Jack. Young Guns, Andrew Kopp for the Jets. Winnipeg Jets was the Jets. Who had the Jets? Oh, Tex. You had the Jets, Tex. The Young Gun. Minutes. Shining Stars, Bobby Hull for Chicago. Chicago Blackhawks was Aaron. Oh, wow, I just dumped the pack out. Dope. Portraits, Mario Lemieux, Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh was... Knew this was going to happen. Pittsburgh, where are you? Oh, Linda. Young Guns, Mikko Rantanen for Colorado. Colorado was Ron. We got a Rantanen. Young Gun Ron. Tampa Bay Lightning, Victor Hedman canvas. Tampa Bay was Devilish Demon. Thank you, Daryl. Lovely base pack. Dropping more frames. Thank you, Breakers TV. Nice. Jersey for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Tarasenko jersey. Going to Jack. Nice. Artemi Panarin, Young Gun for Chicago. That was Jack as well, wasn't it? Oh, Aaron. That's a good one, Aaron. Kid is good. How about Datsuk for Tex? Portraits. There's one more Young Gun. Johnny Hockey for Calgary. Shining Stars. Calgary. Calgary was Jack. And Calgary again. Jonas Silver canvas. Jonas Silver canvas for Jack as well. So we didn't get the big McDavid, but it's not too shabby. Some nice ones in there. Alright, moving right along. 13 minutes. I'm going to rip open this 13-14 Ultimate ending in 677. Yeah, I think so too, Brian. Marcel Dion with Schmeckis on it. Oh, it's rubbing off, I think. For $4.99 base Marcel Dion. The LA Kings. And that was Jack. For the Boston Bruins. Carl Soderberg go to $4.99. Boston was Jack. Oh, nice. Nice, Jack. Number 21 of 25. Jumbo jersey and autograph, Patrice Bergeron. Hard auto. Going to Jack in Boston. Nice card. Okay. And the last one in the box, Lucas Alessio, Ultimate Rookie Jerseys. Going to Phoenix. And Phoenix was... I don't know. This one. Dropping some more frames. Site sucks. Phoenix Coyotes were... Can't see it. mental here. Next card. Oh, Chuck, of course. Is it back, guys? No, it's still dropping frames continuously now, so I'm just going to restart it now because it's ridiculous. So, restarting the broadcast one more time because the site sucks. You guys shouldn't be frozen anymore. Oh, that's ridiculous. It's frozen again. Jamie Benn out of 272 points for Dallas. And a big Grant Fuhr leg pad piece for St. Louis Blues. Pretty sweet. Nice. Out of 600. Yeah, I restarted again, guys, because it's ridiculous. Kelly Yarncroc out of 399. Crystal for the Nashville Predators. Nashville was Chuck. Alexander Koklchev for out of 799 true rookie card for Jack. Which is the big winner so far with Boston. Well, besides Shane winning that entire box. Nice for the Anaheim Ducks Trilogy Signature Pucks Autograph. No numbering. Normal version. Corey Perry. Corey Perry. Anaheim. And Anaheim was Linda. Nice. Signature puck for Linda. Sweet. The Washington Capitals of $3.99. Evgeny Kuznetsov. And Washington was DJ. There you go, DJ. Pretty sweet card. Alright. Mark Byzantine for Chuck and the Yotes. $3.99. I'm sorry about the drop frames, guys. It was beyond my control. It's been acting up for like the last day. Anthony Duclair out of $4.99 for Aaron. Yes, I did open a box of Ultimates. We'll recap for you later. Claude Giroux out of 119 goals for Pittsburgh, or Philadelphia, I should say. It's Philadelphia's first hit for Jack. What am I at here? Oh, lots of that. Nice. True rookie card for Tampa Bay. Jonathan Drouin. That's it for the box of Trilogy. Tampa Bay was Daryl. Alright. Here's our box of Ultimate. This stuff does not have serial numbers on it. There's this big old seal here. Yeah, the Ultimate box was pretty sweet, actually. Had a Patrice Bergeron jumbo. Let go. Jumbo and hard auto. For the Leafs, Jonathan Bernier, base out of $2.99. Boo. Bernier, who had my Leafs? Toronto was Patrick. What a redemption. Oh, nice. Masterpieces, autograph for the LA Kings and Jack. Dustin Brown. Those are cool. Very nice, Jack. Nice gold auto there, buddy. In good shape, too. Well, it's got a couple little dings on the back, actually, right there and there, but front's what matters. The New York Rangers. There's a good card here. I think the Rangers were Aaron. Yes. Oh, that's sweet. Blocker piece, number 4 of 10. Henrik Lundqvist. Nice. Henrik Lundqvist, 4 of 10. Some good value there for you. Ultimate dual jersey. David Backes for the St. Louis Blues. Not numbered. And we got an autograph. Hard autograph of Pekka Rinne. Yep, not much I can do, Tex. It's beyond my control right now. Pekka Rinne, hard auto. That's in really good shape, too. Nashville. We've got Nashville. They had a good card already. Whatever. And we got a redemption is rookies. Numbered to 80. Oh, what? Card number 81, numbered to 299. NHL Ultimate Autograph Rookies, John Klingberg. John Klingberg. Oh, there we go. John Klingberg is, I can't remember. It's either Columbus or Nashville. As we'll look that up while I'm, everybody's complaining about drop rates. Oh, I was way up. So, John Klingberg is with Dallas. So, there we go. The card is with the Dallas Stars and Aaron. So, there we go, guys. Pretty cool break. Thanks for your support. We didn't have anything at random. So, we're all good. Catch you.